What's up, guys? Today we're at a little car meet. We're gonna be cruising to another spot, a little car show permitted spot. So we're gonna cruise with all the boys. Cops are here telling us to move, so we'll see how it goes. There's some nice stuff over here, so we'll see what we get into. The sunset right there. Yeah, it's wrap.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he wrapped
British
it.
Racing Green, right?
Something like that. We'll ask him when we get there.
It's good though. Like,
yeah.
Oh, I think he's saying cop. He's been gold.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, that thing is low. Sparks. Yeah.
That's so fun to be in.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
What's an NVIDIA exhaust?
Yeah, he got NVIDIA. Wow. He bought it on Facebook.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
We're dumb cheap, I bet you. That's like $1,000 exhaust.
Yeah, I think it was like $700 bucks.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
It looks new.
Yeah, it's pretty much new.
Oh, we got a graphics card.
NVIDIA, yeah. He's scraping on flat ground.
Yeah, I know. There's a leak. There's a leak. You won't let him in.
Yeah. To do an exhaust ASAP.
Yeah. Okay, it doesn't sound terrible.
No.
But man, my
yeah. And I'm used to it now already, so I think my hearing is going.
I haven't been in a loud car in so long that
yeah. Yeah, after being in a stock quiet car for a while, it's like even more loud coming back into it. Here's the Tahoe's back, or Suburban. Where's that Mateo?
We're going to 3.
Yeah, the sway bar is much better.
Oh, we're folding the wagon.
Yeah, the wagon's he's the host, yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
He's the one that works at the dealer.
Oh, okay. And then who were everybody else that was at the dealer? Like more workers, I guess?
I guess there was some workers and some people chilling. I don't know.
I hate this entrance.
E36, E46, E92. Perfect lineup. And then the 1 Series coming in.
You gotta go or you're gonna end up in Rutherford.
I know. Like him.
Okay. Thanks, I guess.
The brakes work still.
Yeah, they went in. They went in.
Oh shoot.
Let's see if Conrad beat it.
Yeah.
He did? Was it Fox?
Oh, the Subi didn't make it.
No. He knows where he lives?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Right there. And we got New York to this side.
Caca.
Caca.
I hate New York.
Abun de la caca.
Yo, I'll never forget the first time I heard this. I was like, okay.
Do some luxury. Got the 128. Got the Jag. That Jag is pretty sick. He's probably rubbing pretty bad
he's
too.
running up pretty bad,
I think that's. What is that noise?
I don't know. Oh, I hear like a little doo-doo, right? Ah, right. Oh, it's probably, your window's probably not closed all the way. It's probably whistling. Wind, maybe?
Someone playing music.
Oh.
Oh, maybe it's them in the
Yeah,
car.
wow. Oh, I think it's him. Yeah.
No, it might be him.
Yeah.
He's probably blasting music.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Just that echo is weird. Oh, that one hurt.
He's probably used to it. That boy probably has no back. That man sees a power
Yo,
breaker every day.
facts. The music.
Oh. It literally sounds like it's in the car though.
That's what I'm saying. Like the audio must be coming from out and right in like that.
That might be what it is, yeah.
Let's see. Oh, the song stopped, of course. Nope, still pretty loud. Yo! And the airplane just took off.
I wasn't recording it, I meant to record it.
No.
I got you. Oh, even worse.
crazy.
Okay.
Yalla.
And then cutting off random people is crazy.
Yeah, normal.
This is an interesting thing to do.
I don't know. They're just going?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
New Yorkers.
Why was he in the far right if he had to go hard left?
Bro, you can't make this up, bro.
It's the fact that he jumped in and slammed on the brakes.
For real.
Oh my god.
You can't make this up, bro.
Oh man. He hit the New Jersey slide though. I'll give him that.
He did get it.
For a New Yorker?
Yeah, he got it.
He ate that up.
At least we were awake too, so.
Facts, yo.
Yeah.
Hi guys, what a random switch of that. Yo, this guy is
He drives insane, bro.
insane, yeah. Is the tire on wires? It is.
Yeah,
The outside though.
it's a drift car. As well did diff and everything.
It's absolutely.
Yeah, I was thinking that over there. I don't know, we'll see where they're going.
They all went to different places.
Let's see what's over here.
That'll be home.
Yeah. That sounded horrible. He said rev it.
That is wow. Am I in a is that okay, truck?
Yo, that's a Honda.
Imagine that's his Nismo.
Where? Oh, this is a different color. Oh, but it could be wrapped or something.
My car was wrapped. Yo, look at that Supra.
That a Supra?
Wait, why does that look like the? Why does it look like the concept car?
Molded wide body. It's gotta be some kind of molded wide body.
He's like, you 1 pound respect, eating like 1 pound respect, eating right.
Yeah, I love that color. Oh, he's got drag tires on the back. Apexes with the drag tires.
Yeah, so the wheels are back.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Battery power right now. He's gonna blow the speaker out. Yeah, look at them. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. The whips.
That had to blow the speakers on the camera. Probably.
Alright guys, we made it back from the car meet. We went there kind of late, so by the time we got there, it was already done, shut down. But we'll be back next month. The host said same spot. We'll be there longer. No trouble with police, so it should be fun. Stay tuned for more videos.